Dropshippers fill checkout forms 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 times a day. Whether it's they dropship from AliExpress to their Shopify clients. And I'm about to show you how I do it, because I do that too, by the way. I also have a shop. And what I do, I literally grab the client's email. Check this out. This is a client email order, a new order that just came in. I highlight it and then I click on this new extension called Zippy Fill. When I click on it, it will literally fill the form with exactly the data relevant to that client. Check this out. It's happening right now. It's so fast, you can't even see how quick that was. Now, I want to give a quick tip to anyone else who's selling on their shop and shipping from AliExpress. You see this customize button. Let me just show you it. You see this customize button. When you click on it, you can set rules for the AliExpress checkout. Now, what I'm going to do is actually create a new rule. But first, let me make sure it applies to any website that starts with these words, AliExpress. The rule is going to be, from now on, whenever you fill this form, just autofill on extension click. Whenever I click the extension, just fill the form up with whatever's on the clipboard. I'm going to save this rule, and now I'm going to demonstrate the same demonstration, but this time I'm going to do it without actually like clicking the blue button, because I'm so into saving time. So here I am with the same information. Now I'm going to click on the extension. Now check this out. I don't have to actually do anything. It just automatically fills the form up. Absolutely amazing. This is a no-brainer for drop shippers. If you're a drop shipper, use AliExpress to ship your products, or even if you buy from eBay to get your product to your buyer, or Amazon, this extension is going to change your life. If you want the link, just ask for it. I'll send it to you. It's literally free to try for about a day, and that way you can literally make sure it works for your business before committing. Now, the great thing about this customize button is you can customize for each different page of the internet. See, I have all these websites here. Each one has a different rule. So, for example, for eBay, my rule is please ignore the quantity field and country field, and please remove the country code from the phone number and instead put a 0 before the number. Now, why did I have to make this custom rule for eBay? Because if I didn't, it would actually fill the form incorrectly. And that's what makes this Chrome extension so perfect. It's customizable depending what website you're on. So as soon as you're on eBay, it has those rules. When I was on Amazon, it has, look at this Amazon rule. When there's a 5-digit order ID, use that. If there isn't one, generate an order ID. Imagine that. You can literally have it generate information for the form, or use specific information for specific forms. And by the way, it works on Amazon FBA, eBay, KDP. It works everywhere, guys. Follow me for more amazing AI tools, and see you in the next one.